नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है आयुष और आप देख रहे हैं एबीपी लाइव का स्मार्ट एड कॉन्क्लेव। इस समय मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर अनिर्बान मुखर्जी फ्रॉम आरसीसी आईआईटी कोलकाता। थैंक यू सो मच सर हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। सर आप ये बताइए कि जैसे स्मार्ट एड का आगे कितना फ्यूचर है हमारी हायर एजुकेशन को लेकर, क्योंकि आप आईआईटी जैसे एक बहुत बड़े संस्थान से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो हमारे इंजीनियरिंग को लेकर के, आर्किटेक्चर को लेकर के इसमें स्मार्ट एजुकेशन कितना बड़ा रोल प्ले कर सकता है?
Yeah, it is education is smart only if we adapt with time, because with evolving digital landscape there are emerging technologies like AI, ML, data science and intelligent autonomous systems like drone, embedded systems, VLSI, cyber security. So if we adopt these systems in our education system and if we customize the curriculum and give the exposure to the students on hands-on training, then only the education can be smart and the students can be make future ready and they can sustain and survive in the digital economy with the necessary skills for employment.
Have RCC IIT included any course with smart education in engineering or in architecture or in other subjects?
Yeah, absolutely. Understanding the huge transformative potential of AI particularly, we have partnered with Intel, which is one of the pioneering organization in spreading the culture of AI. And with Intel, we have introduced Intel's AI for Future Workforce program in our institute, where we are giving equal exposure, uniform exposure to the engineering students spanning from first year to third year. And we are also integrating the Intel AI course modules in the engineering curriculum so that the students are compulsorily taking those new subjects and are prepared for the future skills driven world, AI driven digital economy.
How do you think students are responding to Smart Ed and Intel that have collaborated with your institute?
Yeah, we have received overwhelming response from the students because they are very much eager to take up these new technologies, and these give them the much needed edge over the students of other institutes. And not only Intel, we have also collaborated with some of the mid-level and startup industries who have developed industry-sponsored lab in our institute, where we are giving our students the exposure to the industry use cases, and they are doing their projects and innovation works, where the industry experts along with our in-house faculty mentors are guiding them. In that way, they are prepared in a wholesome manner for facing the industry requirement, and we are just trying to ensure that they learn what the industry requires, and we are also helping them to ideate, to incubate and develop solutions which are the requirement of the society through the hackathons, through the tech workshops and ideation events like that.
I hope, sir, our viewers and other students and other institutes will take a message from RCC IIT and they will also work in Smart Ed and they will include that in their curriculum. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.